What's up guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can clear data cache in Windows 10. So without wasting time, let's get straight into our topics. As you can see, I have around 2.2 gigs of cache. To remove this, you have to simply download a software by Microsoft. You have to open your browser and search for RAM map. Here you have to make sure you are clicking on Microsoft official website. Right here you have to click on download. After downloading, you have to open it. Now you have to click on rammap64.exe. Click on agree and now you can see the software is successfully installed. So as you can see, I have around 2.6 gigs of cache. Let's clear this cache by clicking on empty. Now here you have to click on empty standby list. So as you can see, we have cleared our cache. If you like this video, go ahead and click on subscribe button.